Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin on clean, towel-damp hair to ensure absorption. Once done, divide your hair into 4 sections so you can work methodically. Use 1/4 to 1/2 cup of the Plum mask depending on length and scoop it with your fingers or a brush. Apply the product to mid-lengths and ends first. These areas need the most moisture, then move toward the roots sparingly. Make sure to distribute evenly with a wide-tooth comb so every strand gets coverage before moving to the next section. Once the mask is applied, you'll spend a couple of focused minutes working it through. Massage using slow, downward strokes for 2 to 5 minutes to detangle and help the formula sink in. This also spreads oils toward the ends. Then cover with a shower cap or a warm towel. Heat increases penetration, so it's helpful. Make sure to set a timer for the product's recommended window, typically 5 to 20 minutes, depending on how porous your hair is and how deep you want the treatment. You'll rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water until the runoff is clear, then give a quick cool rinse to seal the cuticle and boost shine. Gently blot with a towel, do not rub, and apply a lightweight leave-in or detangler if you usually use one, then style normally. If the mask leaves your hair feeling heavy or limp, make sure to dilute it next time with a bit of conditioner or reduce the treatment time. This single troubleshooting tweak fixes buildup without losing benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.